Imagine turning AI art into passive income without spending a cent. Meet Ideogram, a free text-to-image AI that's quietly making people real money. While most people scroll past AI art tools, smart creators are using Ideogram to sell designs on Etsy, Redbubble, and Fiverr, with no design background at all. Here's how it works. Step 1. Go to ideogram.ai and type a simple prompt like retro sunset t-shirt design. Step 2. Pick your favorite render and upscale it. Step 3. Upload it to Etsy or Redbubble and set your price. The secret? Focus on popular niches like motivational quotes, vintage style, or pets. Ideogram's unique typography makes it perfect for text-based designs. Average sellers make around $300 to $500 per month from simple designs like these, and that's just passive income. Once uploaded, they sell automatically. So before scrolling to the next trend, try turning your creativity into cash. Subscribe for weekly tools that actually make you money using AI.